Welcome to our channel. Today, we are excited to showcase an incredible natural recipe that serves as a magical alternative to Viagra for both men and women. This recipe is not just effective but also guarantees the use of 100% natural ingredients, making it a healthy and safe choice. Imagine a world where energy and vitality flow from the depths of nature, a magical recipe that rejuvenates your youth and enhances your sexual power with all natural ingredients. Here is our perfect Viagra alternative, utilizing herbs known for their amazing ability to improve blood circulation and boost sexual health. How to make natural Viagra at home for both men and women. A magical recipe for youth renewal. Amazing ingredients. Ginkgo Biloba, the secret to perpetual youth. It stimulates blood circulation, enhancing sexual performance. Ginseng, the ancient energizer. It improves erections and boosts energy and vitality. Maca, the roots of life. It strengthens sexual desire and supports sexual capacity. Saffron, the golden spice, increases desire and enhances sexual performance. Magical preparation steps. Preparing ginkgo and ginseng. Carefully boil them for 20 minutes to extract their potent elements. Adding maca and saffron, blend strength and flavor at the heart of the mixture. Sweetening and enhancing, add honey or agave syrup for a great taste and lemon to enhance the flavor. Ideal usage. Consume this mixture once daily, especially 3 hours before sexual activities, to maximize the benefits. For men and women, improve sexual performance, boost desire, and gain more energy and vitality. It is important to consult with healthcare providers to ensure safe and effective use. Important notes. Do not overlook consulting a physician before starting these herbs, especially if you are taking other medications or have chronic health conditions. Remember, nature is full of secrets, and each person may interact with it differently. Try this mixture and enjoy a natural rejuvenation of energy and vitality, and share your inspiring experiences with this wonderful recipe.